Guys, sorry na putol yung video So ito pa rin yung kinuha ni Bossing na dalawang unit, Allosaurus at saka itong EMG na TTI John Wick 3. So with license markings yan. Made in Taiwan. Naka fiber optic sights front sight. Then threaded yung OB. So may under rail na rin for attachment. Yung slide niya is metal. Then metal din yung frame. So naka-enlarged magazine release. May magwell na rin with TTI markings. STI base plate. Then Combat Master markings 2011. And then ito yung serial number niya. So i-test natin. Check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. 364, 360. So may kasama tong license card. And guys, for details mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby PH.